In Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, senior leader of the All Parties Hurriyat Conference, Mirwaiz Umar Farooq has expressed serious concern over the deteriorating health of illegally detained chairman of the Jammu and Kashmir Liberation Front, Mohammad Yasin Malik in New Delhi. According to Kashmir Media Service, Mohammad Yasin Malik, who is on an indefinite hunger strike since Friday, has been shifted to a hospital in Delhi after his health worsened in Tihar jail the other day. The Mirwaiz, in a statement in Srinagar, demanded provision of medical assistance to the ailing jail leader on emergency basis. He said the Kashmiri leaders are subjected to vengeance for their political beliefs. However, he made it clear that repression on the basis of political ideologies can neither change the facts on Kashmir nor sentiments of the Kashmiri people. He maintained that ultimately dialogue between all stakeholders will be the only way to resolve the long-standing Kashmir dispute on a permanent basis. Meanwhile, the incarcerated APHC Vice Chairman Ghulam Ahmed Gulzar, in a special message from Srinagar Central Jail, said the Kashmiris will always observe August 5 as Exploitation Day, Day of Mourning and a Black Day. He said that the RSS-backed fascist government, led by the killer of humanity Narendra Modi, usurped political, social, religious rights of Kashmiris, and 5 August 2019 action was a direct attack on Kashmir's unique identity, culture, employment, demography, and basic fundamental rights by Hindutva forces. People's Democratic Party President Mehbooba Mufti, addressing a function in Srinagar today, praised Pakistan and China over the China-Pakistan Economic Corridor project and called for declaring the occupied Jammu and Kashmir and Azad Jammu and Kashmir as a world peace zone. She asked India for connecting Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir with the world in the same manner Pakistan and China are connecting the SHJ&K. Mehbooba appealed to the Indian Prime Minister to order release of the all Kashmiri detainees languishing in different jails. Indian government has admitted that 2 Kashmiri journalists have been detained by Indian police under the Black Public Safety Act in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir this year. Indian Minister of State for Home Nityanand Rai said this while replying to a question in Rajya Sabha, the upper house of the Indian Parliament. On the other hand, landslides, stone shooting, washing away of roads and bridges triggered by heavy downpours led to the closure of Srinagar-Jammu Highway and Srinagar-Leh Highway at various places in occupied Jammu and Kashmir today.